Hey everyone, welcome back. If your YouTube videos aren't being recommended, don't worry, this happens to many creators. In this video, I'll explain why it happens and how to fix it step by step in 2026. Step 1. Check audience retention. The algorithm favors videos that keep viewers watching. If viewers leave early, YouTube shows your video less. Start with a strong hook, improve pacing, and keep content engaging throughout. Step 2. Analyze click-through rate. Go to Analytics arrow, reach arrow, CTR. Low clicks mean fewer recommendations. Optimize thumbnails, titles, and descriptions to attract attention without being clickbait. Step 3. Review video consistency. Channels that upload regularly on a specific topic perform better. If uploads are inconsistent or cover too many unrelated topics, YouTube may not recommend your videos. Step 4. Optimize metadata. Titles, tags, and descriptions help YouTube understand your content. Use precise keywords that your audience searches for to increase discoverability. Step 5. Avoid low-value or reused content. Videos that reuse clips, lack originality, or are too generic are recommended less. Add unique commentary, insight, or perspective to stand out. Step 6. Check engagement signals. Likes, comments, and shares tell YouTube your video is valuable. Encourage viewers to interact to boost recommendations. Step 7. Be patient. The algorithm sometimes takes a few days to test new videos. Don't make drastic changes too quickly. Let the system gather data first. So if your YouTube videos are not being recommended, it's usually about retention, CTR, consistency, metadata, or engagement, not a penalty. Fix these areas, and YouTube will start recommending your content again. And that's how to get your YouTube videos recommended step by step in 2026. Like the video, subscribe for more growth strategies, and I'll see you in the next one.